Hey everyone, quick 1-minute breakdown. I've been testing a few of these new agentic AI coding tools, Google Antigravity, AWS Cairo, plus I'll briefly touch on Lovable and Codex for context. So here's the vibe. Google Antigravity feels like move fast and break things, but the AI fixes it for you. It's super aggressive with automation. You give it a goal, and it spins up agents to code, test, even run browser checks. It's honestly insane for prototyping or building MVPs in record time. AWS Cairo is the complete opposite. It's more like, let's design this properly first. You start with structured requirements, architecture, and strict planning before any real code gets generated. It's built for serious production-grade AWS workflows where traceability and control matter. Lovable and Codex sit somewhere in between, more general-purpose coding assistants. So the real choice is simple: speed and chaos with Antigravity, or structure and control with Cairo.